A warm greetings present over here. I am Dr.E.Kamatchi, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, PG. As I am going to discuss the topic research methods for management. That continue the first video. So, what is meant by types of research? So, there is types of research: basic fundamental research, applied research, descriptive research, analytical research, qualitative focus, and quantitative focus. So, the qualitative research explores non-numerical data, words and experience to understand underlying reasons, opinions and motivations. That is called examples of interviews, focus groups. Quantitative research uses numerical data and statistical analysis to test hypotheses and measurable variables. Example, surveys and experiments. Mixed methods, it combined both qualitative and quantitative approaches for more comprehensive understanding. So the purpose of the goal, basic and fundamentals of research, expands knowledge for knowledge sake without immediate application. Example, the theoretical physics. Applied research solves specific practical problems, and exploratory research investigates new or purely understood topics to define problems and generate ideas. Descriptive research describes characters of a population or phenomenon. Example, surveys of consumer preferences. Explanatory causal research establishes cause and effect relationship between the variables. Example of experiments. So there is the research methods for management, introducing the design thinking in research, and it is a revolutionary human-centered approach to problem solving, a pioneered by IDO's Stanford University School that transformed how we conduct research. So this research is, first we have to define, ideate, prototype and test. This is empathize. Okay, so this is the research for define, frame the core problem based on insights generator, ideate, generate a creative solutions through brainstorming, prototype, create a tangible respondent solutions, and test the validate solutions with real users, and iterate, empathize, deeply understand user needs, experiences and pain points. So these are the design thinking approach in research also. Why we use design thinking in research? So tackles wicked problems, embraces experimentation, integrates the personal perspectives, and tackles the wicked problems, address complex and multifaceted challenges that lack clear solutions through empathy-driven exploration and collaborative approaches. Embraces experimentation, creates a safe space for creative risk-taking, rapid prototyping, and learning from failure as part of the discovery process. Integrative perspectives brings together diverse stakeholders and disciplines and co-create innovative, feasible and viable outcomes that serves real needs. So that is called the mind mapping, visualizing research design. So what is mind mapping? So the mind mapping is called a powerful graphical tool that organization ideas, concepts, relationship around a central research topic in a visual, non-linear format, mirrors how our brains naturally process information. So it enhances creative thinking and idea generation, improves the memory retention and recall, increases focus and clarity, reveals the hidden connections, simplifies complex problems. So we can combine the design thinking and mind mapping. So integrate the powerful methodologies to create a visualize, iterate and deeply human-centered research process that generates a breakthrough insights. Empathy define phase. First, empathy phase, map user insights, pain points, emotional journeys gathered from interviews and observations. Define phase, visualize the problem statements, research questions and key themes emerging from data analysis. And also the ideate phase, branch out core creative solutions, alternatives and innovative approaches without judgment. Prototype phase, organize prototype futures, testing plans and resource requirements visually. Test phase, document feedback, iterations and lesson learned in structured visual format. So this is called combined design thinking and mind mapping approach. Thank you.